Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, in this video, I am going to share the first lecture of French, that is, greetings and salutations. Greetings and salutations are phrases or words that we usually use to greet people when we meet them. So, let's get started. I hope by the end of the lecture you'll be able to grasp all the things that are covered in my lecture. So, we are starting with formal greetings and goodbyes. Formal greetings are the types of greetings that we usually use to converse or to greet people whom we are not that familiar with. Suppose your principal, prime minister, a president, or someone in the office or something like that, or basically it's used to converse people with professional work. In English we say hello, but in French we say bonjour. In English we say good evening, and in French we say bonjour. So here you have to make a very important note here that good evening is when the sun is almost just getting to go, something like that. Okay, now Mr., Mrs. and Miss. Mr. is, we say Mr. in English, and in French we say Monsieur, and Mrs. is Madame, and for Miss also we use Madame because it's almost the same. We use Mrs. for the one who is married, and for Miss who is not currently married. Now, if in the office or if you're talking to your principal, when he or she asks you what is your name, so in French, if a principal asks you comment vous appelez-vous, so you'll reply that my name is, what is your name? So my name is X or my name is Y. So je m'appelle, here my name is Ram, so I'm using je m'appelle Ram. I'm happy to meet you. Je suis heureux de votre connaisser. I'd like to meet you. Now here there are two things, I'd like you to meet and I like to meet you are the same, but in French we represent them in different form. Now we represent here is that je vous présente. Okay. How are you? Comment allez-vous? We can also use comment allez-vous. It's up to you. Okay. Now, very well. Whenever your teachers say very well or well done, she say très bien. Not bad, it's a pas mal. So. Comme ka. Now, goodbye in French is au revoir. See you soon in French is also au revoir. It's almost the same. Now, good night, bonne nuit. Good night is basically used after good evening. So make sure that this is the time when you are actually trying to go for sleep. Okay. Now we are heading towards informal greetings and goodbyes. Informal greetings are the type of greetings that we usually use to greet our friends, our family members, and the people whom we are very familiar with. Like, you can also greet your neighbors with informal greetings, or the people where no professional work is taking place. Now, hi, you usually say salute. Now, if you say salute Ram, Ram is your friend, so you say salute Ram. What is your name? Tu t'appelles comment? My name is Ram, so you'll say je m'appelle Ram. Pleased to meet you. Enchanté. I'd like you to meet. Je te présente. Bye, in French known as salute. Now, bye and hi in French are same here. So bye in French you can also use au revoir, but here that will also go with some kind of professional, but it's okay, you can use au revoir as well, because goodbye and bye is the same, right? How are you? Ça va. Now this is like you can also use come sawa, but sawa you have to change the tone. So do remember this. Fine is sawa. Je sawa be a mercy. I'm fine, thank you. How is it going? Ça marche. Fine, ça marche. Now the tone here is changing, so you have to make sure that you have to use the tone in which you are speaking. What's new? Quoi de neuf? Nothing. Rien. See you soon is in French we call bientôt. See you later, it's tout l'heure. See you tomorrow is demain. Now note that the vous expression in formal conversation is, whereas the tu expression used in informal conversation. So we usually use vous expression in formal and tu expression in informal. So, and make sure this also that after sunset, bonsoir is used as a greeting, and bonne nuit is used after when you are trying to retire for the night, or you are trying to plan for the night. So this was all the salutations that I teach you in this video, and I hope you are able to grasp all the things that are taught in this video. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, do subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll meet you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.